If you're working with a lead gen account that has really high CPCs, is there a strategy that you defer to bring the CPCs down on a new campaign? If you're working with a lead gen account that has really high CPCs, is there a strategy that you defer to bring the CPCs down on a new campaign?
Yep, I always run the TCPA at a high TCPA setting and max clicks dual strategy at the same time. It doubles the amount of volume for 20% more spend, and then teaches that TCPA campaign really quickly and drops the overall CPC by about 40%.
Got it. Okay, max clicks and TCPA, and that's even like a brand new campaign, no data right out of the gate. Okay.
Yeah, we just did it this last week, and we're at 45% more lead flow for 3% less cost. The CPC's dropped a bunch because you average out. It's almost like, portfolio diversity. Like you're kind of buying down the average. So you get, for $1,000, you get 100 clicks. For $200, you also get 100 clicks in max clicks. So the overall CPC is dropped, but that max clicks are all the people, because an automated bidding strategy is going to buy conversions and doesn't know what to buy them for. So in the beginning, I don't necessarily work on buying conversions. I set up a buy conversion campaign at 4/5 of the budget, but then the max clicks campaign at 1/5 of the budget is flowing all of the same amount of traffic in that is teaching where those conversions are going to be coming from. So you want to teach the algorithm soon, otherwise you're just going to be spending an ungodly amount of money, trying to buy conversions in a campaign that doesn't know what to even cost for a conversion.
Right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense, because I have an account here. They're not like a trouble account yet, but they're a new account. And they're in the roofing space, and I'm trying to bring down the CPCs here. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Yeah. So they had someone else managing the account from June to August, and this was a previous campaign that they were running. So roofing company on Phrase Match was getting an average CPC of $6.20, which is awesome for that term. But then coming into kind of end of August into September, our average CPC is skyrocketing. I think even the last 2 weeks, it's somewhere near $50 CPCs in the exact same campaign. So I also started another campaign, and I'm looking at CPCs that I have it on manual, but they're at about $15. So I'm just trying to get back down to what that previous campaign had in any way. But yeah, they only have a $3,000 budget. So spending anywhere above $15 a click is going to just kill the account.
Yeah. Yeah, I would say that running that strategy, especially for a brand new campaign, that's the best thing that I've ever done. It's kind of like now my go-to strategy for new and old accounts.
Yeah.
If anything, lead gen search base has been a godsend.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, I'll do that. And sorry if I missed this, but did you go over that in a you versus Google call? Okay, I'll just watch that recording then.
Yeah, I forget what it's called. It's like a dual prong strategy or dual prong approach or whatever it is. But yeah, it's very, very, very effective.
Awesome. Okay, I'll check that out.
Cool.
All right. Well, here's a question for you. I've actually been running a test with doing the same thing. Search campaign, not shopping. Search campaign, starting at low CPCs, optimizing for, tickling a feather, whatever. It doesn't really matter what it is.